What's up, hungry people? Welcome to the Starving Chef's Kitchen. It's grillin' season, y'all, which means it's time to bust out the BBQ and get to cooking outdoors. Today I'm making super simple ginger barbecue shrimp kebabs, perfect for the inaugural grilling sesh of the season. First, make the barbecue marinade with ketchup, olive oil, lime juice, warmed honey, minced ginger, a dash of your favorite hot sauce, fresh parsley, and of course, pepper and salt. Whisk it all together until a thick barbecue sauce forms. Take raw or thawed raw shrimp with their tails on and pour on the sauce. Marinate the shrimp for at least an hour or overnight. The longer they marinate, the more developed the flavor will be. Thread the shrimp onto wooden or metal skewers. I ended up doing about 10 per skewer. Transfer the skewers onto a plate and preheat your outdoor grill to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And as they say in Australia, slap those shrimp on the barbie and cook for about 5 minutes or until the shrimp are plump and cooked through. This barbecue sauce is sweet and tangy with a hint of heat at the end. It's great for seafood, poultry, pork, and more. What's your favorite recipe for the grill? Let me know in the comments below for a chance to see your recipe featured on my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this recipe and subscribe for new recipes every week. Hit that bell to be the first to know when a new recipe is posted. And of course, you can find this recipe and many more on the StarvingChefBlog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.